Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you might be checking out the Amazon Shopper panel and you're wondering maybe, is this a good way for you to make money online? Is this legit? How much money can you make? Let's do a full review of Amazon Shopper panel to see whether this is a good use of your time. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email. You can check it out if you would like, all right? Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are great, some of them not so great. Some of them are really a waste of time. So let's check out Amazon Shopper panel to find out where this stands. Okay, now Amazon, obviously a great name, very respected, you can trust them, 100% legit. This is their pretty new market research platform. Okay, now this is how it works. You can download it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. But here's the thing, it's not available in every single country. It's only available in a very limited amount of countries and customers. So you have to be a very big user of Amazon. And they're available not only in the US, but they're also available in some of the big European countries as well. So UK, Canada, Germany, France, and Spain, okay? Now, you must live in these countries to take part in the Amazon Shopper panel. And it only works if you have actually received an invitation, okay, for you to actually accept. Now, if you didn't get an invitation, you can download the app from the Amazon, the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, and then you can get on their list, their wait list, and once they open it up, then you can get access to it. So unfortunately, even though Amazon Shopper panel is kind of cool, a lot of people won't be able to access it because they have a lot of very limited spots, okay? But let's just say you can get access to it. This is how it works, right? This is their market research platform. You can do a few different tasks and make a little bit of extra money for the time that you trade onto the platform, right? So there are mainly three ways that you can make money. One of the ways is to fill out surveys. The nice thing that I like about their surveys is they're very short. They're 1, 2, 3 minutes long. And they pay you market rates for that 1, 2, 3, 3 minutes that you're actually filling out the surveys, which is really good. So they pay between 50 cents and $1 per survey. Now, external survey websites, and I've reviewed hundreds of them, will take a lot longer. So you could spend 30 minutes filling out a survey and only get 50 cents or 75 cents. So you're basically earning a lot more on the Amazon surveys. But here's the only problem, you don't get access to a lot of them. And we'll talk about that in a minute to see how much you can really earn every single month with Amazon Shopper panel, okay? So that's the first way, filling out surveys. The second way is to actually show them what you're buying out there, okay? So it's really cool. Every single month you can upload 10 receipts from any retail outlet you want. So whether you shop at Target, Walgreens, Walmart, it doesn't matter. You upload 10 receipts a month and they will pay you roughly about $10 for that information. They want to find out where you're shopping, what you're buying, because again, this is their market research app, okay? But unfortunately, you can only get $10 a month from this particular section of their app. Now, the last way you can earn is something called ad verification. So Amazon wants to find out what ads you're being shown, where it's being shown, and how you're being shown them. And so you can toggle this on inside the app. But the only thing about this is that they're going to be collecting a lot of data from you, all right? So you have to be okay with sharing that data with Amazon. If you're not okay with that, then you shouldn't activate their ads verification service. But if you do, then they will pay you $2 extra a month, all right? Now, the great news is you don't have to do that much for it, but it's only $2 a month. It's not that much money, okay? So these are the main three ways, and let's talk a little bit more about, is it really worth it? How much do you really get paid and how do you get paid, all right? So they will basically send you your money directly to your Amazon account 1 month after you've actually done some of the tasks. So unfortunately, you don't get cash, you don't get paid through PayPal or Payoneer or a virtual Visa card or anything like that, but your Amazon account gets credited and you can use that credit to go and buy any product you want on Amazon, which I think is not too bad, okay? It's pretty cool. Now, the big question is how much can you make from their market research platform, all right? So I'm gonna log into the App Store and you can see some people have done reviews here, and this is a pretty recent one. This one says that you can make between 12 and 15 bucks a month, okay? Now, if we take a look at some of the ways that you can make money on this, it does make sense, right? Because with their receipt scanner, okay, to find out where you're shopping, you already made $10 from that, right? From the surveys, you'll make a couple of bucks here and there, okay, because they don't have that many surveys available, unfortunately, even though they're really short. And then the last way is you earn an extra $2 a month when you activate the ad verification. So in total, it'll roughly be about $15, maybe 70, maybe even 17 bucks, 18 bucks a month, okay? But the question is that really worth your time, all right? Yes, it's free. Yes, it's legit. And Amazon's a great platform. But I mean, how far is $15 really going to take you as an individual? Probably not very far, right? You can't retire, you can't travel the world, you won't become a millionaire, you can't leave your 9-to-5 job, unfortunately. But the nice thing is that it's free and it's legit. But here's the other issue, okay? A lot of people won't be able to get on Amazon Shopper Panel because they have such a limited amount of space on it, for people to get access. Again, it's a limited amount of people in the US, UK, Canada, Germany, France, and Spain. Now maybe they'll open this up in the future to more people, but currently at the time of recording this video, it's a pretty exclusive thing. So not that many people will get access to it, all right? But if you do and you're lucky enough to get access to it, then you can check it out right here at panel.amazon.com, or you can download it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. All right, now if you're watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make a little bit more income online. I mean, we live in a day and age where, look, you should be able to make more than $15 a month, $20 a month. You should be able to make hundreds or way more than that a month, 100% online. And on this channel, I've reviewed a lot of different apps and websites where they all pay roughly about that, a couple of dollars a day, maybe $10 a month, $50 a month, some even about $100 or so a month. But that's not that much income if you really think about it, okay? But what if there could be a way for you to do that? All right, what if you could generate between $5,000 and $10,000 US dollars a month, and even more if you put in the right amount of work, right? If you want to get my favorite strategy for an absolute beginner to get there, click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Amazon Shopper Panel. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.